Images taken by a new European satellite show the levels and distribution of air pollutants around the world, including ash spewing from a volcano in Indonesia. The European Space Agency released images Friday made by its Sentinel-5P satellite that show high concentrations of nitrogen dioxide in parts of Europe on November. Nitrogen dioxide is mainly caused by vehicle emissions and in industrial processes. The mission has a swath width of 2,600 kilometers, which allows the whole planet to be mapped every 24 hours. The pollution observed over Europe is mainly the result of traffic and the combustion of fossil fuel in the industrial processes. This was particularly apparent over parts of the Netherlands, the Ruhr area of western Germany, the Po Valley in Italy, and parts of Spain. High levels of carbon monoxide were seen over parts of Asia, Africa, and South America, commonly produced by fires. The images also show sulfur dioxide, ash and smoke from the Mount Agung volcano in Bali last month. Another image shows high levels of carbon monoxide, commonly produced by fires, in Asia, Africa, and South America. A series of images also show sulfur dioxide, ash and smoke from the Mount Agung volcano in Bali last month. Sentinel-5P, launched Oct.13, can map levels of nitrogen dioxide, methane, carbon monoxide and other pollutants that can be hazardous to human health or contribute to global warming. Sentinel-5P is the sixth satellite for the EC Copernicus Environmental Monitoring Program, but the first dedicated to monitoring our atmosphere, said Josef Aschbacher, ESA's Director of Earth Observation Programs. These first images offer a tantalizing glimpse of what's in store and are not only an important milestone for the Sentinel-5P mission, but also an important milestone for Europe. Data such as we see here will soon underpin the Copernicus Atmosphere Monitoring Service and will be used to issue forecasts and will ultimately be valuable for helping to put appropriate mitigation policies in place. A series of images, compiled in the animation above, also show sulfur dioxide, ash and smoke from the Mount Agung volcano in Bali last month according to ESA. The satellite provides the most detailed look here at air pollutants around the world. The pollution observed over Europe is mainly the result of traffic and the combustion of fossil fuel in the industrial processes. This was particularly apparent over parts of the Netherlands, the Ruhr area of western Germany, the Po Valley in Italy, and parts of Spain. High levels of carbon monoxide were seen over parts of Asia, Africa, and South America. Sentinel-5P is equipped with an instrument known as Tropomi.This is the most advanced sensor of its kind to date, according to ESA. and can map all kinds of pollutants, including nitrogen dioxide, methane, carbon monoxide and aerosols. Tropomi was kept sealed off for some time after the satellite's launch, as it underwent a planned decontamination process. The first images come after the door was recently opened, allowing light to enter. The mission has a swath width of 2,600 kilometers and can map the whole planet every 24 hours. These first images are astonishing, especially given the satellite is still in the early stages of being commissioned for operations, said Stefan Dej, director of DLR's Earth Observation Center. The satellite's Tropomi instrument promised to offer images of pollutants in higher resolution than ever before, and it's certainly living up to its promise.